khot katanar pynlip ding kat adu kapor shiposh teng bajeman med jong kasing sajan kidang yai teng ban yakun ban la ban pynlip do ya kading ke bakalang kansan adu kapor mensi haki benta jong kasurok thana road Khyndailad Shillong kabala shimru ya ka jeng im jong wei ubriu
This I got a phone call from my cousin at 1:13, and immediately at 1:16 when I reached the spot, it took me 2 minutes to reach here. 1:16 I gave a call to the fire services that there is a massive fire in Thana Road, please come. But I think it was more than 2 o'clock that the fire vehicles, I don't blame them. I don't blame them at all. But because of the road conditions and the traffic and the conditions in Pulit, the fire brigade could not reach in time.
Did you get till now? Did you get any idea what is the cause of this?
The root cause of the fire has not been ascertained yet. So we are not in a state of mind to know that first. With the first and foremost thing is to see that the fire is dozed off.
From which part of the building it started?
It started from the ground floor. We don't know. The smoke came out from the ground floor.
What is there in the ground floor?
It is a showroom of furniture. You see, okay. It is a showroom furniture. It's a more than 60 years old furniture showroom here.
How many staff was there?
Pardon?
How many staff were there?
Staffs?
Yeah.
There were 5-6 staffs. They were all equivalent outside. Building family members were there. There's no casualty of the human deaths are not there except for one that was in the godown down below, which has been rented out. That godown we have given, that was rented out to Bhajanlals. A staff of Bhajanlali expired because of the smoke and suffocation.
Okay.
We don't have any doubt that there may be any malpractice or anything. We don't have such doubts. But still it is we have to ascertain that we have to find the cause root why the fire got.
Army and everyone comes together like to fight you.
See, I'll tell you what is the cause for that, because there is a wooden structure inside and it is totally wood. Furniture means wood. and plastic. So unless until we have the support of all the things, because once we saw the firefighting, our Meghalaya fire services were there, but it looked that it would not be controlled. So the forming fire brigades has to be called in. So seeing that it may not, spread the fire to the nearby areas which are having the old structures here, we were asked, some of our person who were here, they called up Air Force and they got the fire. We didn't call up the Air Force. It was somebody from here who called up the Air Force and the fire vehicles came in. First of all, I will tell you that since morning the firefighting vehicles, including the fire services and the Air Force and the Army and the Assam Regimental Center, all the fire brigades have been coming here and they have been fighting right through and through since morning, trying to douse off the fire. We are very helpful to the fire department as well as the Army and the Air Force, who are doing a wonderful job. All the officials were here, right from the IG fires, then your additional Chief Secretary, Mr. Shakil, Mr. SDPO, Mr. Swapnil, all the police officers, SP, DC, all were here. So we are really grateful that they were here to monitor the total incident. But only my thing is that the fire brigade could not reach here in time because of the traffic that we know in Shillong, plus the situation in Pulit. You media people are well aware that there's no space for any vehicle to enter Pulit because of the total area occupied by the street vendors and the hawkers. How do you expect? You know better than me, you being on the road and in the media, you know what is the condition of Pulit. This is just a starting. The people of Pulit are sitting on a fireball. If such incidents again happen, God will be the only savior. But neither firefighting vehicles, whatever it may be, whether they are helpful or what, but God is the savior. Because the fire brigade cannot enter Pulit.
Yes.
They were strangled in Khyndailad. All the fire brigade then had to come via Sadar Thana, and that takes another time, you see. If the fire brigade could reach time, which I don't blame the fire services, because it is because of these road conditions in our area that the fire could not reach in time. Maybe if they could have reached, we could have monitored the thing much better, but still they are monitoring. It is my humble request to the administration and to government to please clear the roads for any major calamities to be that we cannot foresee.
It will happen.
Yeah, it may happen anywhere. Humble request again and again to your media people to please bring to the notice of the government that not only Pulit, roads throughout the other parts of Shillong should be free for movement of emergency services vehicle, whether it is for fire brigade or it is ambulance or it is any other thing. Roads has to be clear, otherwise it is very difficult to save the lives of the people.
What is the situation now?
Situation is under control. It's still under control. They are doing their best to see that the fire still about 90% has been dozed off. 10% is still there, but fire services will not leave till it is 100%.
Which part of the
Back portion of the building.
Still now is on fire.
Still fire is there.